How to fix activation error 0x8004FC12 on Windows 11 tenths. To fix activation error 0x8004FC12 on Windows 11 tenths, try 1. Wait for activation servers to be available. 2. Run Windows Activation Troubleshooter. 3. Check your firewall settings or turn the Windows firewall or any other 3th party off. 4. Clean up excess old transactions by running these commands below, as admin. Net local group administrators local service /add pseudo resource set auto reset true c : /net share int IP reset log.txt then reboot your system. 5. Activate Windows by phone.